a hot minute, I know, but I just got my hands on the new Colourpop, the Shayla X Colourpop Perception palettes. Oh my goodness. Can we just talk about this for a minute? Like when I saw that, like I've kind of been on an eyeshadow palette rut, okay? Everything that's come out has not really grabbed my attention. Now I've been like, yeah, I want that one. I've also been trying to not spend the money on it too, if you know what I mean. But this one is so affordable. I think it was $23. So affordable and just so fun and so different. I loved like the pops colors and whatnot. But of course I had to go in like a kind of neutral peachy golden eye because I mean she killed it with these shades as well. So I had to try that one. I had to get that look out of the way. It comes with a gorgeous mirror. No, it comes with a big old mirror as well. And it's like a heavy mirror. So like it feels nice. There's weight to this palette. I love the packaging with the rose gold foil with the purple splatters and all that. It's got the names on the back as well as the names underneath each shadow. So yeah, I think they're so much fun, and I love how there's a couple of shades in here that have some glitter in them as well as like the foils. Let's see, there's only 1, 2, 3, 4 mattes. Wow, I'm kind of surprised because I thought there were more mattes than that. But there's only 4 mattes, but those are the mattes that you're going to use for like your transitions and smoking it out. These ones with the glitters in them, they're matte with just some glitter in them, and then the rest are all foils. So yeah, and I also picked up a couple of other like new Colourpop products as well that I tried out in this look. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to start off by priming my eyes with my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Eden. And I'm just buffing this out with this little tiny kabuki brush. And then I'm just going to set that with some translucent powder. Now I'm grabbing some medical tape, and I'm just going to line that up on the sides of my eyes to make it nice and crisp. Now I'm just taking my M573, and I don't know why I didn't show the color, but this is the color Culture. It is the lightest of the transition shades in the palette, and it is so pretty. As you can see, it's like this nice kind of creamy orangey color. It's perfect for a transition shade. Now I'm taking this M433 brush and the color Revenge, and I'm going to use this to deepen up my crease, and I'm going to build up the outer third of my eyelid with this. I think this is my favorite shade in the entire palette, you guys. It is so pretty, and the way it blended out was perfect. Now I'm taking the color Played Out and my M506 brush, and I'm going to start building up kind of like the wing and outer V area with this. And now I'm taking my M151 brush and the color Shade, and I'm going to start packing this on. Shade's the one with the glitter in it, and I'm loving it. As you can see, it just, I went a little ham and a little crazy with this, so I got to blend it out a little bit, but I just had to keep packing it on. Now I'm taking my M210 and the color Spill the Tea. It's like that perfect champagne-y rose gold color. It's so pretty. I'm just packing this on like the inner half of my eyelid. You can see I'm building it like kind of around that wing. And then I'm going to spritz it with some Fix Plus just to make it a little more intense. And yeah, it just gave me everything I needed. Now I'm taking my M213 brush and the color Unbothered. I'm going to take this and use it to highlight my brow bone. And then I'm also going to take it and just kind of put it right at the center of like the inner part of my eye. Yeah, and then I spritz it with some Fix Plus. I've seen some other girls do this, and it just kind of makes it like give that cut crease look. And it looks so pretty. And there you go. Now I'm using the new Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. It's the one with cannabis oil in it. I know, so naughty. Anyways, they say it has like heart-shaped fibers in it. I really like it. And then this is my Ardell Studio Effects Wispy Lashes, as always. Now this is my Dior Forever Undercover Foundation. Just dotting this on, and I'm just going to start blending it out with a good old kabuki brush. Now for another new product to me, I'm taking the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. This is in the color Light 12. Just putting it onto my normal areas, and then I will grab my Morphe sponge and I'm going to blend this out. I'm actually really liking this concealer more than I thought it would. It lasted really well on my skin and it covered everything that I needed. So props to Colourpop on this one. Now I'm taking my MAC Fix Plus Gold Light Spray. I'm just spritzing it all over my skin, and then I'm gonna grab the butt of the the beauty blender, and I'm just going to smoosh it into my skin. Now I'm taking my MAC and Patrick Star powder, and I'm just setting all that concealer into place. Now taking my E41 brush and my Too Faced Peach Perfect powder, I'm just going to set the rest of my face using this powder. Now I'm taking my R2 brush and my Butter Bronzer in the color Bronzer, very original. I'm just going to bronze up my face with this. I like to use this bronzer when I am very fair and pale and haven't self-tanned in a minute, and that's where I was. And now I'm taking this blush bar by Benefit. The packaging, you guys, the ballerinas, I'm a dancer, so that is why I love this one. But I'm taking Hoola in the brush that comes with it, and I'm going to start contouring my face. And you can see there I was frustrated because I struggle with putting my mirrors in front of the camera when I'm filming. I feel like my mirror's being held down low, but guess not. Now I'm just going to take their new blush in the color Gold Rush. It's such a pretty blush color. Just popping that onto the apples of my cheeks. Now this is my R41 brush. I am going to be mixing Culture and Revenge and just popping this onto my lower lash line and making sure I blend it into that like wing liner effect that I made. Now I'm taking my MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash and I'm just coating my lower lashes with this. Now I'm just going to set my face with my Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray. Now I'm taking my Ofra Beverly Hills highlighter in the white shade and my E36 brush. I'm popping this onto the inner corners. Now this is my Colourpop highlighter. This is another new one to me. Just, wow, this face, you guys. I couldn't with that face. Anyways, holy crap. Can you see that? Especially after I sprayed it with Fix Plus. It is beaming, so beaming. But this is in the color... It says Strobe Globe Luster Dust. Can't remember which color that is, but that's what it says on the bottom. So I'm just going to take this onto my highlight points, onto the face. Now I'm taking my Morphe lip liner in the color Backseat Love. Sounds like it should be like a boy band song. Yeah, maybe, yes, no. And then this is my Fenty Beauty Fenty Glow Gloss. So pretty. I'm not obsessed with the smell of it. It kind of gives me a headache. But this is the completed look.
Alright you guys, so that is it for this look. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a big ol' thumbs up. Leave any comments, requests, questions, anything down below. I love to talk to you guys, and subscribe. Join my little crew, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!